On a rain-soaked city street, a pop icon stops to hear a shy teen singing into a phone flashlight. The singer kneels, smiles, and lets the moment linger, asking about the song, not the fame, and truly listening. When the teen breaks down, the star hugs them, promises support, and quietly outfits a small studio session funded by fans. Backstage, the artist gives the fan a signed guitar pick and shares practical advice about chasing music with patience. That simple warmth echoes beyond the crowd, proving unforgettable stars are made of listening ears and open hearts.